There are 8 members in a family consisting of 3 generations and equal number of males and females. D does not belong to the youngest generation. F is the father-in-law of J's daughter. J is married to the daughter of N. M is the maternal grandmother of B, who is the son-in-law of C. A is the daughter of C. So this question was posted by Sanjeeva. So let us see how to solve it. See, for this you have to draw the family tree. One thing you have to be clear here is that they are talking about 8 people. So when you draw the family tree, you should try to fit in these 8 members in the family tree. That is because information about them only is given like this. So let us start. What is given here? F is the father-in-law of J's daughter. So F is the father-in-law. Okay, father-in-law means F has a child who is married to somebody. F is the father-in-law of this person, right? See, F has a child who is married to this person. So F is the father-in-law of the person who will come here, right? J's daughter. So who is this? This is not J's daughter. So this is a female here, right? Female means I am putting G. So F is the father-in-law means this is a male person. F is the father-in-law of J's daughter. So F has a son who is married to the daughter of J. J is married to the daughter of N. So J is married, okay, J is married to the daughter of N. So N has a daughter, okay, who is married to J. So J is again a male. M is the maternal grandfather of B, who is the son-in-law of C. A is the daughter of C. Now what is given? M is the maternal grandfather of B. So see, there are 3 generations, right? So this is your first generation, second generation, and this is your last generation. So when they say M is the maternal grandfather of B, where should M be? M has to be in this generation. Now M is the maternal grandfather of B, who is the son-in-law of C. So B is going to be in the lower generation and B is the son-in-law of C. So basically B is a male member. So if you see the third generation, there is one male and one female. It is given B is the son-in-law of C. So B has to be a male person. So which can be B? Obviously this has to be B. And it is given B is the son-in-law of C. So which has to be C? This has to be C. See, C and J have a daughter who is married to B. Now M is the maternal grandfather of B. So B's father is F. F is married to somebody, right? This person's father is a maternal grandfather, means grandfather from the mother's side. So this is again a male person. Yeah, so we have to find out who will come in these 2 places. See, here it is given A is the daughter of C. So this has to be A. So who is the only member we are left with? D does not belong to the youngest generation. See, D is the only person we are left with, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last person we are left with is D. So this has to be D. So this is how you draw the family tree for the given information. Now based on this you will be able to solve the questions that follow. Next question was posted by Pechi Ramalakshmi. Pointing to a photograph, Krishna said, "She is the daughter of my grandfather's only son." How is Krishna related to the girl in the photograph? So here see, the question is, how is Krishna related to the girl? So either Krishna has to be the niece of the girl or nephew of the girl, right? Whatever. But remember here the gender of Krishna, is it given? It's not given. Okay. So without knowing the gender of Krishna, will you be able to solve this question? See, what is Krishna saying? The girl in the picture, right? The girl in the photo. This one is a girl, you know, right? This girl is the daughter of my grandfather. So Krishna is there. Yeah, Krishna has a parent whose father, right? Grandfather. Krishna's grandfather. My grandfather's only sons. Grandfather has a son. Her daughter is the girl in the photo. Now, this girl can be Krishna itself, right? If Krishna was a girl, this girl can be Krishna itself. Or Krishna's grandfather could have had a daughter. Krishna could be their child. Or let us say similarly, gender of Krishna. Not given. Without knowing all this, how do I say how is Krishna related to the girl in the photograph? Only thing we can say is that they are in the same generation. Yeah. So obviously these two can't be the answer. Mother, father, daughter can't be. Either brother or sister based on options, but again without knowing gender of Krishna you can't say anything. But see, like in blood relations, the gender of the person is very important. See, the girls can also have name Krishna. Na? How can you say for sure Krishna is a male? We can't. So I think something wrong with the options given here or the way the question was framed. Okay. Yes, for this question everybody is giving me the answer as option D. So what is given? P and Q are sisters. So P and Q are in the same generation and they are sisters. So both of them are females, correct? Both of them are girls. Then R and S are brothers and P's daughter is R's sister. So P has a daughter, okay? P has a daughter is R's sister. So basically this R is also a child of P. Now it is given that R and S are brothers. So R and S are brothers means both of them are male and they are brothers means they are born to the same parent. So what can I say? Basically P, that is P is the mother of these three children. P has two sons and one daughter, okay, and Q is P's sister. Now the question is, how is Q related to S? How is Q related to S? See, Q is S's mother's sister, or I can say Q is these three children's aunt. So the correct answer here is option D, aunt.